Hello gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. Gorgeous, you're welcome. So today is a hair review. This hair from Amanda hair. You can see the hair is popping. So this hair is Amanda Jerry Coily Ombre Honey Blonde D1B 30 color middle part lace front human hair wig. The density of the hair is 180 density, and the tip part is a tip part. It has a center part and front, a lace front too. And the hair is coily human hair T1B 30 color. It's ombre color, and the inches is 22 inches, 100% human virgin hair. The density is 180 density. It's tip part lace front wig. They said in their website that it can last more than 12 months with proper care. No shedding and no tangle. Tangle little, I will not lie. Tangle little. So you can restyle this hair. The wig, you can see it look very natural. You can see the scalp is just my scalp. You guys can see. So that is it about this hair. I'm going to leave all the information about it, and I'm going to see if there is any discount code. I'm going to leave it as well on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. Like I said, the hair, you can see the hair. I like the color is popping. This is hair is popping. Without wasting time, let's head into this video. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and click on that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? And I will see you guys very soon. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because these days I don't use glue to glue my hair down. I just use styling gel. If you want to see how I style this hair without glue, okay, keep on watching and make sure you watch to the end. And please watch little of my advert, okay? That is how we make a little money. Just watch little of my adverts. Don't skip all the adverts all the time. Make sure you just watch some, okay? Thank you so much for doing that. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
will leave the information about the wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. By the way, this video is sponsored by Amanda Hair. Thank you so much, Amanda Hair, for sponsoring this video. And please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't. Join the gorgeous family and click on that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes.